everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to use MoreLogin, a powerful tool for managing multiple online accounts securely. Let's get started. But first, what is MoreLogin? MoreLogin is a multi-account management tool that helps users create, manage, and switch between multiple online identities while ensuring privacy and security. It is widely used for e-commerce, marketing, and other business operations where managing multiple accounts is essential. So before we head over and download the MoreLogin application, let's look at their website first. They have the product tabs here for the pricing, the affiliate programs, uses cases, and the resource wherein we can contact them, the affiliate programs that you're connected with, the help center, the blog, and their partner centers. In their website, they also show the advantages of having multiple seller accounts, wherein we can expand your sales across multiple regions on one platform, build business in multiple product categories, increase your chances of showcasing products to target markets, and more. They also have this industry leading data security protection, wherein they give 6-layer data encryption, protecting account security. They also support end-to-end encryption. They encrypt your local data and support 2FA. They're also mobile friendly and they have synchronizer. They have new generational real canvas fingerprint. They securely manage multiple accounts on one device. Now, first, let us click here, download. And then you have to choose according to your corresponding Mac version. Since I'm using a MacBook here, I am going to use the Intel Silicon. And now if you're not sure as to which one to choose, just look at the guides that they have here. In my case, the chip type that I have is the Intel Silicon. So I'm going to click on it. And it's now downloading. Just wait because sometimes it would take us a long time to download. So let's just wait. Now, if you're on Windows, you click on Windows, and they also offer a free trial. So you may sign up now to get 2 free permanent profiles, and you can start it for free. So while waiting for it to download, we can click on sign up here. And you may choose sign up with Google, or you can just enter your email account. Now I'll click on sign up with Google, so I won't have to type in any important details, and plus it's connected to my Google account right away. I'll be choosing my Google account and just click continue, just do the step-by-step process there. And now it says account is registered and please download and install the application. Now we have already downloaded it, so we will just open it. And then click on the agree here if you agree with the terms of this license press. It's now verifying and wait for it. Now to install it, we need to drag and drop the application into the folder. Now let's look at the launchpad here. It's not yet there, but let's wait for some time. And we can see that it's already on our desktop. Click on your launchpad and you can see that MoreLogin is already there. Now click on it. Once inside, you'll see a clean and intuitive dashboard where you can create and manage your virtual browsers. Take a moment to explore the interface. Now let's head over here on the new profile. Click on this one. And there you can create a new browser profile. So you may choose if it's browser or Firefox, which one you prefer. And then click the operating system based on your computer. So I'll click on Mac OS. Then profile number created. Just input a number there. Then click confirm. Now, since we are just using a free plan, we can only create 2 profiles with 2 members. But if you have upgraded your package, you can create more. Now we have successfully created a browser here, and if you want to check our browser, just click on the start button here. And we are now here on our browser that we have created from MoreLogin. Now let's go back to the dashboard, and if we want to stop this browser, we can just click stop here. And if you want to start it again, click on it, and it will redirect us to a browser on Chrome, since we have chosen Google Chrome here. Now let's go back. We also have here the proxies where you can purchase, trash the extension and applications that they have, or go to Google Store to add. And this is the Chrome Web Store wherein you can choose different applications as part of the Chrome Web Store extensions. Let's click sign in here. So you may click sign in here and sign into your Google account. Click next. input your password, click next again, and you can now choose the different extensions that are available. Just feel free and explore the interface. As for the teams, you can also add or invite members. Just click on it, log in their email address, put their nickname, and for the role, you can choose if they're an administrator, a manager, or an employee. And once you're done, click OK. For the members here, for the teams, you can invite members here. Just click on the invite members button, input their email, then a nickname for them, and a member role if you want. If they're an administrator, a manager, and an employee, just feel free to do that. We can also see here the billings. Just click on the billings tab. So if we click on the referrals, we will be redirected to a new tab wherein we can promote MoreLogin for us to earn more money. The more clicks and the more people register, the more money that you have. That's all for the basic tutorial on how to use MoreLogin. MoreLogin is a powerful tool for anyone managing multiple online accounts, and it offers security, privacy, and efficiency, making online operations seamless. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.